Hi my friends, my name is Justine, I'm the Mermaid Seamstress, and today we will be reviewing the adult Mermaid Linden Monofin by Body Glove. So I just want to start off this review by saying how excited I am that Mermaid Linden has finally released an adult size of this monofin. I have loved the kid size monofin for years now, and I was thrilled to see these finally come out. As a unisex monofin and is meant to fit US men's sizes 6 through 11.5, which is really darn incredible, and women's US sizes 4.5 to 9. And I actually wear a 9.5, 10, and I know Courtney Mermaid, who wears I think an 11, has one of these monofins as well, so you should definitely go and check out her review when it comes out. It should be coming out pretty soon, if it hasn't already, to see what she thinks of the foot pockets on these, and if you can wear a larger size, because I know you can wear significantly larger sizes with the kids monofin. This monofin is going to cost around $60. You can find it on Mermaid Linden's shop, so mermaidlinden.com, and it comes in 3 colors. This one is the ultramarine purple. It also comes in Caribbean blue and a key lime green, which is a really, really cool color. One thing that I absolutely love about them is actually the shape. This is a crescent shape, as you can see. And this shape is actually modeled off of Mermaid Linden's signature silicone tail. And I heard her once say in an interview that she chose this shape because the fastest fish in the sea actually have this shape of fluke, which I thought was super cool. I'm a biologist, and I really appreciate when mermaids bring biology or actual science into their designs. I think that's really neat, and it's really a tribute to the educational message that she wants to send. Mermaid Linden is super into making ocean conservation and ocean education really accessible and engaging to kids, and I really appreciate that message. So that's why I think this unique shape is really, really cool. So this monofin is made out of hard plastic, fluke, and rubber on the outsides and for the foot pockets. The hard plastic goes all the way up into the back of the foot pocket, so you have a really good base, strong base for your kick. I'd say it's comparable in flexibility to the Venice Rapid monofin, so it's going to give you a really strong kick with little effort. Of course, one of my favorite features is the drainage holes are on the back. Here are the drainage holes here. They're super, super low profile, so you wouldn't really be able to see them under a tail. And of course, that means the front is absolutely straight down. I love the designs that are on the front of this monofin. They're super duper cute. I don't know if you can see this, but these foot pockets are actually really, really wide, and that is because this is a unisex monofin. So this monofin is meant for men and women. One thing that is super awesome about these foot pockets is that they are made of rubber, so they are super duper comfortable. If we take a look at the heel straps are also rubber. We have a system of grooves and a clip here, so you can adjust it tighten it by pulling on this strap, or you can loosen it by pushing out on this little buckle here and pulling it through. I also love the safety clip. So the safety release is just a clip. It comes out really, really easily. It makes it really easy once you have adjusted it to your foot size to just put it on and on that way. Another safety feature is it does have a hook here in the middle, which you can pop on and off if you need to, just like that. And you might think because these straps are rubber that they would have a risk of rubbing, but she has thought of that, and she has put these little neoprene covers on it, just like you'd see on a pair of professional dive fins. So these are really squishy, soft neoprene. Your ankles are not going to rub and you're not going to get blisters because it is so soft and squishy. Another feature, similar to the kid size one, is these foot pockets are really, really large by themselves, but this monofin is supposed to fit a really wide range of foot sizes. So the way that she does that is by including, with the purchase of this monofin, these little neoprene booties They are made of really thick, soft neoprene, and if you have a smaller foot size, you can wear these inside the monofin to prevent any rubbing or your foot shifting around, so you have a really secure fit in these foot pockets. This monofin, just based on the way that the kids one is designed and how sturdy this feels, I anticipate that this is going to be a really durable monofin. Differently than the kids sizes, this is actually not just a separate piece of rubber. There actually is plastic all the way up to this point in the rubber, so I don't even think, you might have a little bit of peeling away at some point eventually on the corners of these, but I really don't see that that's going to be a problem. It's not going to compromise the way that this monofin swims at all. This is attached really securely, this bumper, as are the grips on the bottom of the foot strap. These foot pockets are thick enough and good enough where I don't think that these are going to rip unless you intend to damage them. I think that this is going to be a really solid monofin, and it is going to last you a very long time. Now to talk about my favorite part of this monofin. This monofin is absolutely huge. I was actually expecting it to be a lot smaller than it is. Although the children's size one, this is the children's size one, is big for a kid size monofin. If we look at the difference in these two, the adult size is actually significantly bigger, which I really appreciate. If you compare this to the other like teen adult monofins that are out there, like the Aquarius, this is a lot bigger than the Aquarius. It is actually the same width as the Mahina. If you look at this, the Mahina is a little bit longer, and of course this is my modified one. The Mahina is a little bit long, but the Mermaid Linden one is just as wide as that, which I think is absolutely insane. It's a huge monofin, which I just really love. It's comparable in speed and propulsion. It's somewhere between my Rapid and my Mahina, which I was really surprised by. I thought this was going to be a lot less powerful than it is. What's awesome, I don't know if it's about this shape or just the way it's designed, but it's also super duper agile in the water. I can do some really quick turns with it, and it doesn't create a lot of drag, which is awesome because that means it's super comfortable on my feet. It doesn't give me a whole lot of cramping, which I really appreciate because I don't like getting foot cramps any more than the next mermaid. It's also super duper easy to get a good kick started in this tail, and it really encourages proper form. I really don't have much negative to say about this tail. The only negative thing that I had to say was that this might peel off in the future and you didn't come out with it sooner. Those are the only negatives I have about this tail. Otherwise, it is one of my favorite tails I have ever had, and I know they say that a lot, but it's basically like my top 3 tails are number 1, my Mahina, number 2, this actually kicked out the Finis Rapid from my number 2 spot, and then my Finis Rapid after this. So again, this monofin is awesome. It's super durable. It's really powerful. It's huge. It would make a perfect first time monofin, or even if you're going to upgrade monofins. If you liked this video and found it helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, leave a comment down below with any comments, questions, concerns you have about this monofin. If you've tried it, let me know down in the comments section below. If you have a monofin like this and you're interested in making your own tail for it, you can go ahead and check out my how to make a mermaid tail video. The link will be in the description box below. If you're still undecided on what monofin to choose, you can check out my other reviews of other monofins on my monofin playlist, also linked down in the description box below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to see more swim videos, mermaid craft tutorials, sewing tutorials, and mermaid reviews. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, fish friends.